more than a month removed, and there are still good people working to clean up the debris after the March tornado.
But as we know, natural disasters also bring out scammers as well. And TV 11's Ashley Godwin introduces us to a local tree removal service, and they're warning locals.
Tree Gorilla has been busy cleaning up limbs and downed trees after the tornado, but they say that also brings out people looking to con you out of your money.
When people come in and are trying to take advantage of anybody, no matter what the case, whether it be with tree work, roofers, I can't stand a thief.
In an industry with no rules.
Tree services, they're unregulated. All somebody has to have to call themselves a tree service is a chainsaw and a business card in a lot of cases.
Leaving you vulnerable to scammers.
There's also a lot of folks that are out there that are trying to just take people for their money, getting big deposits up front, making one or two cuts and leaving.
Tree Gorilla owner Chad Bryant has been helping people with tree removal for years, including after the most recent tornado.
We worked a lot of hours in those weeks right after the storm.
With more needing help, he wants to make sure people are aware of how to find qualified tree removal services.
Things I recommend: search for a certified arborist. If somebody has gone in and become an ISA certified arborist, they've put an investment into their training. They have to get continuing education units every year to recertify.
And there is a website to find certified tree services in our area. We have a link to that on thv11.com.